Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about AOC Gaming CQ27G2S. So friend, this monitor, a 27-inch display boasts a 1500R curved VA panel with a 2560 x 1440 resolution, an impressive maximum refresh rate of 165Hz and a quick 4 millisecond G2G response time, and it will comes with an MRP of approximately $230 and credit features AOC's G menu setting, providing you with a versatile range of modes including RTS, FPS, Gamer 1, Gamer 2, Racing, and off. And this profile caters to various gaming genres encompasses shooters, MMORPG, action eSports, RTS, speed, EM, bird, and racing, and friend. It incorporates several technologies to enhance the gaming experience, including low input lag, game color, shadow control, motion blur reduction, crosshair, and frame counters. An additional feature includes support for adaptive sync, covering a range between 48 and 165 Hz, and the monitor also boasts a respectable 90% DCI-P3 color gamer, though its maximum brightness is modest at 250 nits. For visual comfort, the display includes standard ergonomic features such as low blue light and flicker-free modes, as well as anti-glare coating. And friend, while the monitor lacks integrated speaker, it provides audio output, and it is equipped with two HDMI 2.0 and 1 DP 1.4 connectors, and AOC has maintained affordability by omitting a USB hub, though it does include both HDMI and DP cables in the package. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.